Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add an app on Shopify. Let's get started. So for example, let's head over and scroll down until you can see these apps right here. So when you click on that, you can see this all recommended apps. And then in here, when you click on that, you can see some apps that you can actually install. Like for example, the CJ dropshipping that can help you with dropshipping. This Instagram feed that can integrate an Instagram feed of your account to your Shopify, as well as a Clavio for email marketing, Printify, Zendrop, and all these things right here. However, if you're looking for a specific application that is actually not here, you click on the Shopify App Store, and then this will redirect you to another page wherein you can see the actual apps that Shopify offers. So the actual link for this is apps.shopify.com. So you can also see in here a lot of recommendations that you can choose from, like for example, trending applications and all of these things right here. So in here, what you can do is if you're looking for a specific app, you can search in here for that specific app that you're looking for. So for example, I'm looking for upsell. I can search for that and I can actually see in here some applications that actually use that. So for example, let's click on this upsell and cross. You can head over and then just try to install this. However, if you already installed it, this is what it looks like right here. So let me show you what the install button looks like. So let's click on this one, and then you can see the install button right here. And when you try to install that, it will ask you access in order to grant this app access on your actual Shopify store. So what you can do is you can actually just head over and then click on install right here. And then it will show you the actual dashboard of this application that you have just installed. So in here, it will load and you should be able to see the dashboard for the application that you have right now. So let's head back to our Shopify App Store right here. And then let's head back again. And in here, you can see the browse apps. So you can see in here that you can sort or search for apps by category like finding products, orders and shipping, marketing, selling, store design, as well as store management. So just choose which product is applicable to you if you're just trying to explore some applications that you can use for your Shopify. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.